Yes, so I don't come again this time around with another story we go pepper in her body. For those of now, when say this lady don't come again, no, she don't come to pepper us. Yes, this is another pepper story. The latest where they grant now 22 years students reported missing. Now waiting come our table be this so, and as he come our table, I don't carry on to come giving us so. The matter where they grant be say they say this 22 years old students where in name na Priscilla Ojong. They say this girl, she go missing. Say she travel go Lagos, go see one man. She dey school for Cross River Cross River University of Technology. All of them join. I know say you know the school where they talk about. So this girl na 300 level student of Mass Communication University. From information where we gather from one Carleton, they say this girl go see one man where invite am come Lagos. Say this man, none of them sabi the man so, but this girl go leave Lagos over 3 weeks ago. So when she reach the Lagos, so say she call them, tell them say she don't reach. Say as she reach there, she called make the call, tell her friend say she don't reach. She come tell them say but she go spend just that weekend there. Make she come back school the following week. Now so she take communicate with her friends. So after everything, this in friends them they come they talk say after some time they try reach the girl. They know they hear from the girl again. Say they never see the girl again after some period of time. So since then they no come know wetin they go do. The girl number no they go, in messages no they go. They come they very very worried. And one man now they see the girl where they miss so, and even the conversation where she be get with him friends. So my people, as they say this girl begin miss, in friends come they call her phone. No means to reach her, nothing. This girl just waka, he no drop number, he no drop anything. But they say this man send her money for motor, make she take come Lagos, come see the girl, credit in account. Only God know whether na only money we go carry her reach Lagos, I be top the money we make this girl take risks, live in place, go like that. To some girls saying now they try well. We don't know whether this girl don't even know the man for a very long time. You just waka, carry your two left leg, they go Lagos. Now we dey even cause our own problem by ourselves. We go use our hand, call, waiting, we no know, make it come visit us. So my people, as they say, this girl waka, this waka go. The friends don't find her for a couple of times, they no see her. Wetin they can't do be say, now to call the girl parents to inform the parents, say, see wetin dey happen though. And they say the parents, they stay for Akampan local government for Cross River State. So they say now there they go tell the parents say their pikin don dey miss, so say wetin they go do. Their parents too begin they try to find their pikin. All efforts where they try do to find out their pikin, no one work, everything they effortless. My people, right now as they tell you this girl they miss, we don't know whether this girl don't die, we don't know whether na road they miss, we don't know whether I get accident, we not just know whether na money ritualist people carry this girl. But wetin would they pray be say make it not be say na unseen God men so on bandits people abi they don't carry the girl. In fact, we just dey pray make this girl dey in good shape. Maybe say she just do some kind crooked waka again. This girl dey missing. For now when they watch this our video, when they watch this our program, when they see this girl, make una they share this videos with the ten, so they go. Make una alert people know say Priscilla they miss. So this girl na 300 level students Mass Communication for Unicross. Make we dey alarm wetin dey happen for Nigeria now don too much we our own problem. Every time Buhari, this time make we leave Buhari be our own Buhari now. Everybody they share this video, make we try see if we fit rescue Priscilla. Even you see for the chat sef, one of the friends they say whether I fit help us trace the girl through their phone number. They don't drop the girl phone number. Make they see if MTN fit help us go. MTN, please don't disappoint us. So as our government don't fail us, they don't disappoint us. MTN, we're counting on you now, making a trace the girl record. Even the bank, I beg, if na know the girl full name and surname, and don't suggest how we go take find this girl now. Now make they find the name, make credit money for the girl account. Use through that means they go know the bank where she they use that means find this girl. I beg, make they check the name where send the girl money, location, everything. Even through bank we can help. Please, let's help this girl. Let's help return her back home to school. Make we know whether she go learn her lesson from this kind one wey she don do. Girls na go dey hide na boyfriend, na no wan allow people see am, hide phone number. I no say e no good o, e good to dey hide o, but this kind people wey be say maybe na first time she don meet the man, you wan come go see the man. At least let person know. Share your location. If you dey somewhere, the world now don as we dey like this, you suppose civilize on your own. Anywhere where you dey go, as you don reach the gate, come. Even if na your sister, if not be your friend though, even if they want snatch that your man, find one friend where you go send them gift. Even if that friend want snatch the man, make it snatch, because if that man na your own, he go still there with you. If he not be your own, you na go still break up, he go leave you, still go find another man. Maybe God wants to use through that your friend means make they take connect, because he snatch am from you. Now you dey try hide the man, see problem where you don't put yourself inside Priscilla. But we dey pray make God bring you back alive, because the problem with the Nigeria now don't too much, and you won't come carry your own heart for our own. Girls, make we dey learn lesson. If na they go anywhere, share your location, find who you go give the number. If you dey the guy gate, send them. If you dey in bedroom, send them. And especially now when be the first time they go meet this man, you don't know whether no go man, you don't carry your leg, you happy, you don't fall in love, they go see your husband to be, whether it go lead to marriage, you go now, it go lead to death. So I dey advise now, if now they go anywhere, share your location. No, make na let one person know, even if na your mama or your papa, they no go kill na. Share your location. So we dey beg MTN, we dey beg the bank, so make they help us, make we take find this girl too. Make they use through the name wey send the girl money last. Try if we fit trace this girl. I beg. Now the tori wey I carry come give na be this. So another tori still dey come, and I go dey give na bumper to bumper as they hot. So na im be this. So make na no forget, make na dey like, dey subscribe, make na dey share, make na dey comment for our YouTube channel. Make na dey wait to dey see our next story where we go dey carry the come dey give na for this video. Thank you all for watching this our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video. I love you all.